This brand new DePIN passive crypto miner pays you in crypto for hosting a decentralized storage node, and it's a simple plug and play device. The coin is currently trading at 13 cents, and this project has not been covered in this much detail on YouTube before. That's until now. And if you stay throughout the video, I'm going to share an exclusive 10% off discount code that you won't find anywhere else. In this video, I'm going to go over the project and what it's trying to achieve. I'm going to review the team and show you the white paper. And I'm also going to show you the different ways in which you can earn and how you can boost your earnings. There are 3 different ways that you can earn. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can purchase a node. Now, I've already placed my order, and in upcoming videos, I'm going to do an unboxing and a tutorial. So if you want to see that, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Right, let's jump straight into this value-packed video. So what is Fogworks and what's it trying to achieve? Well, it's trying to attack the space of cloud-based storage. Currently, you're probably familiar with Web 2 cloud-based storage services like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. But we know that Web 3 is making a big move in this space. We know projects like ChiaCoin, we know projects like Filecoin, and even DNet that are trying to push into this space. So what makes Fogworks different? Well, they differentiate themselves by saying that Web 2 projects use old technology like HTTP and DNS. However, this project is looking to utilize something called CYFS, which is an open source internet protocol. The benefit of this new system is that it has better privacy, better security, and control over your data. They've also partnered with Data Mall Chain, and this is the token that you will earn. That is a public blockchain that creates an efficient marketplace for decentralized storage. So what benefit do you get with partnering with a project like Foggie? Well, number one, you earn crypto rewards by uploading files to the Foggie network. The second thing is that you can generate URLs which are stored on your Foggie. So that means that you can upload files, and as long as your Foggie stays online, your URLs are not hosted on an external domain. It basically means permanent URLs without any hosting fees. It boosts at least 2.5 to 5% faster access to content. And also you earn crypto rewards when you share idle storage capacity. There's a lot more on here, but the last thing I'll mention is that you can create and mint NFTs, which means that you can prove that you are the creator of a file. So let's jump into what Data Mall Coin is. This is the project which is behind Fogworks, and you can see on their website that they have Foggie, they have a wallet, and they have an explorer. Data Mall Chain is essentially an open source blockchain platform, which is focusing on decentralized storage mining, decentralized finance, NFTs, and cloud storage. You can see from their website that they started in 2020, so this project is 4 years in the making. They have over 200,000 active wallets, and they've traded over 2,000 terabytes of storage. Now that is a huge amount. The Data Mall coin is worth around 13 cents at the moment, and it only hit exchanges around last August. It's listed on a few major exchanges, and you can see the trading volume is accumulatively just under $400,000. You can see here that it's tradable immediately on Gate.io. It had an initial run-up in December, and you can see now that it's on a little bit of a pump. You can also see that Data Mall is a partner with the Filecoin Foundation. Now, Filecoin is a huge project in the decentralized storage space, so this only gives credibility to this project. And I'll talk a bit later as we review the team and events that they've attended, because that also boosts the credibility of this project. Hey, if you find value in me showcasing brand new projects on this channel, please do consider giving me a subscribe or liking the video. It just means that I can get more videos in front of you in the future. Let's get back to the video. Now they have a really technical paper on the website, and I'm not going to go through that in detail. I'm going to put a link to that in the description. But you can see here that the tokenomics is that they have 1 billion DMC tokens to be minted, and 60% of those are going to go towards mining. And we are still super early in the process. So what about the team? Now all of these teams seem to be quite stacked in terms of their experience. And I did do a bit of a search on the co-founder and also the engineer, and I was able to find them on LinkedIn and also their personal websites. Although some of their websites were in a foreign language, so I couldn't translate that for you. One of the cool things about this project is that they were recently at DePIN Denver, and they did a number of fireside chats. You can see here the CMO hosting a segment with the chairman and the co-founder of DMC, and so it's really good when you see projects like this getting out into the real world and putting their projects before people. Their Instagram pages for the DMC has a decent following, as does the Fogworks, and you can see images of the events that they have attended in recent times. And what's clear is that they have been quite quite active in events all across the world. And the other thing that adds credibility is that they were named as some of the top US data storage startups influencing the 2023 market, alongside some other companies here. All of these things point to the credibility of the project. So how do you earn through this project? Well, I'll quickly skip over the desktop and the mobile options, but I'll finish and go into detail on Foggie Max, which is the plug and play device that also earns the most rewards. The desktop option requires you to download a software which can be downloaded for Windows or for Apple, and this allows you to back up data and also earn DMC rewards for doing so. It also requires you to purchase some packages. There's a detailed tutorial on the website if you want to have a go at setting up one of these desktop devices. The second way is Foggie Mobile, and this is if you are fed up of running out of space on your phone, you can utilize the cloud storage services. All you have to do is download the Vo4 wallet and have a MetaMask wallet, and you'd access it through the web link. By connecting your MetaMask wallet and their native wallet, you purchase something which is called a bucket, which gives you the storage up to a certain period of time. By uploading files, you earn the DMC token on a daily basis. You can also mint NFTs if you wanted to do so as well. And the last way that you can get involved in this project is by purchasing something called the Foggie Max. Now, the Foggie Max is the flagship project of Fogworks. And what's exciting about this is that it allows you to earn the DMC token in multiple ways. And so the Foggie is quite unique because it can connect and integrate with your existing IoT devices. Now, IoT devices are just any devices in your home that connect to the internet to share data. So you can have humidity sensors, you've got temperature sensors, and you can connect your helium miner or any other device that sends and transmits information over the internet. This also applies for any IoT camera devices that you might have as well. So how do you earn with the Foggie Max? Well, there are two ways that you can earn. The first way is by uploading and sharing your public content to earn DMC. So if you upload public videos, photos, or IoT devices and you share them with others, you can earn DMC. And that is the native token. And the second way that you earn is by sharing any extra storage capacity, because these devices come in either 2 TB or 4 TB. These are automatically listed and you can earn DMC token while you sleep. And the last thing is that it has a no-code NFT minting service. So all of your files you can prove you are the creator of, and you can do that through the Foggie, and you can share those NFTs with your friends, families, or even your clients. Now, heading over to the store, you can see that the 2 TB model is currently sold out, but the 4 TB model is in stock. Now, remember, I'm the first YouTuber really to go into depth on this project, so there's a chance that this could also be sold out as well. The device is $800, and you can see the specs of the device here. Now, this is typical for cloud storage projects. They don't have a super maxed out spec list. The main focus here being the storage capacity. Now, there used to be a code to get 20% off, but that is no longer valid. But don't worry, I've got an exclusive code. If you use the code passivecrypto, you'll knock $80 off this device. Now, I've ordered one of these devices, and so once it arrives, I'll do an unboxing, a setup tutorial, and I'll also talk through my current earnings, because what's not listed on the website is how much you are going to get paid for the storage, whether it's utilized or not. So that's it for this video. Let me know if this is an exciting project, if you're going to get involved in it or not. It's really exciting that they showcased it at DePIN Denver. That means that they were putting it out to the public market, so we have an opportunity to get in while it's early. If you like these types of videos where I uncover brand new projects, then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to release them on a regular basis. And jump into my Discord, because I always release videos there before they go public. Right, I'll see you in the next one.